Unit 5, Nation Building and Challenges to Indian Democracy. So let's know about nation building, its components, hindrances or obstacles, and responses. The process of nation building started with the attainment of independence, means the process of nation building started only after getting independence. The leaders of modern India initiated or accepted the process in the right direction as they work out the details in an orderly and systematic way. However, during implementation or the process of putting a decision regarding nation building, so this leader had to face numerous problems associated with national reconstruction, resulting in slow process. The process of nation building is an offshoot, or it can be called as branch of concept of nation states. So the nation state is nothing but a sovereign state of which most of the citizens are subjected to be united by the factors which define a nation, such as languages or common descent, etc. So the process of nation building is an offshoot or a branch of concept of nation states. The idea of nation states emerged after signing the Treaty of Westphalia in 1648 by Western countries. Do you remember, the students, the Treaty of Westphalia? It is a legal document for the settlement of disputes between two states. So the idea of nation states emerged after signing the Treaty of Westphalia in 1648 by Western countries. The people of common religious and traditional background living in a definite territory with like-mindedness, feeling and enjoying political independence formed the nation. Common language, culture and history, aspiration means hope, help the people to form nationality. So let's know what is nation building. Nation building is the process of uniting people with a sense of nationalism. It aims at building of national power and national institution, achieving socio-economic, educational and scientific development, national reconstruction and all-around development. According to Mayer Weiner, nation building is a wide-ranging process to build a viable cohesive. So the viable cohesive means it is capable of working together for the success. So nation building is a wide-ranging process to build a viable cohesive, well-organized and widely accepted society. And according to Kikigai, I think this is simple definition regarding to nation building. So nation building and omnibus. Omnibus means a multi-process and it includes state building, people building, democracy building, citizen building, economy building, social building and government building. Next, that means nation building refers to the process whereby the state becomes a true nation state. Its people became a well-organized, united and cohesive group. Cohesive group means characterized group, and by the society becomes democratic and developed. It also involves the process of making the political system autonomous. So it also involved the process of making political system autonomous means the freedom to govern itself and legitimate or make its rule to meet demands and aspiration of the people and overcome threats or injury, crisis and all other challenges. Thus nation building is a transformation or changes of a country into a great society or powerful nation.